Hi children, welcome back to the Max video once again. So we have completed in the last video about in the pairs of linear equations the first topic, that is substitution method. So now we are going into the elimination method. This is the second topic where we are solving two equations and finding the value of the two variables given. Okay, so now let us see what is this elimination method. Eliminate means to take away. That means completely to take away from the given equation. That means you have to eliminate that. That means you don't know. Do you know that when you are playing, you are eliminated in the sense you are taken away from the game? Yes or no? In the same way, here we are going to eliminate one of the variable and then find the remaining variable value and then again substitute that value in the given equation, so that to find the remaining values of the given equations. Yes. Now, elimination method. Elimination method means, as I told you, to take away. Firstly, see the equation, that is 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. And the second equation is minus 2x plus 5y is equals to 10. Now, as these two equations are given, children, in order to eliminate, that means in order to take away, let us suppose that this equation is 1, this is equation 2. Okay, in order to take away, you should have the same coefficient also for that variable. That means, suppose if you want to eliminate x. So, if you want to eliminate x, you should have the same coefficient. Are you having the same number? Yes, no? The second equation also have the coefficient of x's? Yes, 2. So, 2x plus 5y is equals to 10. Now, here what you should do? Here, but this is having a negative sign and this is having a positive sign. So, I will tell 1 plus 2 equation. That means I am adding both the equations. 1 and 2 are added together. Okay. Now, when 1 and 2 are added together, what will happen? This will cancel because it is plus 2x and minus 2x. That will cancel, and here you will get 8y, because 3y plus 5y is equals to 8y, where 6 plus 10 is 16, where y is equals to 16 by 8, where y is equals to 2. So, this is the answer of this is the value of the one of the variable, that is y is equals to 2. Here we have found the value. Please cancel them in the same table. I know you know that simplification. Yes or no? Do you know to cancel? Yes. So, in the similar way you have to cancel them and find the value of the variable. After finding the value of one variable, substitute the value of this variable in any of the given equations. That is, you can substitute either in the first equation or in the second equation. Let me take the first equation. 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. So, 2x plus 3 into, that means 3 times of 2 is equals to 6. Now, 2x plus 6 is equals to 6. So, 2x is equals to 6 plus 6. When it goes to the other side, it becomes transpose minus 6. So, 2x is equals to 0, where x is equals to 0 by 2, x is 0. Why? Because any number, that means any division, that means any division where the dividend is 0, the answer will automatically be 0. So, therefore, what are the values? X is equals to 0 and y is equals to 2. Yes or no? Yes. Now, this is the way, this is the method how you find in the elimination method. That means you find the given equations, you eliminate one of the variable. When you are eliminating the variable, if the coefficients are not equal, you should make the coefficients equal and then only you should eliminate them. Because see, you cannot you cannot compare your marks with the second class. Suppose if you are in 5th, you cannot compare your marks with the second class or a first class one. Yes or no? You will compare your marks along with your friends who are studying in 5th class. Yes. So, in the similar manner, in order to eliminate anything or in order to cancel anything, so we need to compare the coefficients, where the coefficients should be equal, not the signs, children. The coefficients should be equal. If the coefficients are equal, automatically you will understand whether to add the equations or whether to subtract the equations. Once after doing that, you will find the value of one variable and then substitute the value in the other variable. So, the other variable, after substituting in the other variable, will find that value. Therefore, you will find the value of both the variables using the elimination method. And after finding this elimination method, how to most of you may have a doubt that how can I check my question, like how can I recheck this question whether my answers are correct or not. For each and every problem of max, you will have the correction procedure. That means you can have a checking process. See, suppose x equals to 0 and y equals to 2. Now see, when you substitute in this, what will happen? Please take one of the equation, any equation, number 1 or number 2, anything you can take. This is just the checking process, children. So it is not included in the direct process. So 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. So when you substitute 2 into 0 plus 3 into 2, so 2 zeros are 0, 0 plus 6. That means this value is 6, where it is equal to the right hand side. That means both the left hand side and right hand side are equal. That means here you are checking whether the given solutions, that means the values which you have found, are equal or and are correct or not. Yes or no? So you can check them in anything, like in the second equation you can put them and check, or in the first equation. So hope it is clear to you. For all of you, elimination process means you have to eliminate one of the variable along with the coefficients. Suppose if you have a question of naming only x plus 3y, multiply that first equation into 2, make the coefficients equal. After making the coefficients equal only, you can eliminate them, children. Because if you have different coefficients, it will not be eliminated. So remember that thing and then continue the procedure. Okay. So for your checking, the next video will be made for you with the different coefficients, so that you can understand how to solve the problem with the different coefficients also. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe.